I would like to thank very much the government of Pakistan, the Beinazir Income Support, for facilitating this Central Sahel government country visit to see the amazing job that the government of Pakistan is doing through the Beinazir Income Support. In fact, I worked in Pakistan for 2 years and a half, and I had the chance to work with the Beinazir Income Support on the Neshwonama program. So when I saw the amazing program and the benefit that this program is bringing, when I returned back into my region in West Africa, I have talked to my leadership about this program, and I have invited them to actually organize a visit for governments that are interested so that they can come to see and learn that we can have truly transformative program that has national coverage and that can also alleviate the suffering of least advantaged population. The Beinazir Income Support Program is an income support program, but has some components that are truly helping to build the human capital, such as the Neshwonama program, the nutrition program, conditional cash transfers, and the Wasila program that is also supporting education. So this is really amazing, and I'm very much looking forward for the government of our region to be able to develop similar program and implement for the benefit of our population. Once again, thank you very much.